Hello everyone, this chapter will explain to you the overall environment construction of the laser SIM tracker. Chapter 5 Robot Network Settings. First switch to parameter settings. Select System Settings. Select Ethernet Settings. Click Add in Wired Mode. The default name is enough. On switch Auto Connect to on. IPv4, select IPv4. Method selection manual. The following is to set the robot IP and sensor IP. Just use a different network segment from the computer IP. Can set it. The subnet mask is set to the gateway is set to After the setting is complete, click Save. The robot side network settings are here. Thank you.